So I'm going to go back to the example. If someone is 210 pounds, we divide that by 2.2 and we get 95.45 kilograms. Okay, that's our first step up here. Second step is we take their height, which this individual is 5 foot 10 inches. For those of you that are used to metric system, this one slash mark means feet, and these two slash marks means inches. So 5 feet 10 inches. Okay, we get 60 inches from being 5 feet because remember, 1 foot is 12 inches. Okay, so 12 times 5 is 60, and then we're going to add 10 more onto that for 70. So we take that 70 and multiply it by this constant of 2.54, and we get 177.8 centimeters. Now we're going to move, excuse me, we're going to move that decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So we move, and we get 1.778 meters. Okay, we're going to take that number and square itself. So multiply by itself. So 1.778 times 1.778 equals 3.16. Now we're going to take that first step, our weight in kilograms, and put it over the 3.16 to get a 30.2 body mass index. Now you learned from chapter 1 that a 30 BMI or over is considered obese. Let's scroll down to the bottom of this worksheet to look at the classes for the body mass index. You'll want to make sure that you keep this information because we'll refer back to it over and over. So what's called a PEM, that's protein, energy, malnutrition class, that is a body mass index less than 18.4. That means that they're at risk for nutrition-related deficiencies. We might see this in elderly folks, failure to thrive, somebody who is suffering from an eating disorder, um, impoverished people in third world countries. A normal BMI would be anything between 18.5 and 24.9. And then we have our overweight class, and then finally our obese class. And you'll see there's class 1, class 2, class 3. When we get into chapters 5 and 6, we'll talk about the importance of being able to class somebody for their BMI in terms of insurance coverage for things like surgeries, weight loss drugs, weight loss counseling, things like that. Okay. Now, this isn't a worksheet that you need to turn in for points, but I would recommend you practicing a few times to figure out their BMI, the examples here, and then telling which class that client would be in. Okay. So for those of you who do complete this and you want to discuss the answers with me, you can put that on the discussion board under the questions part in the discussion board. We will review this process over and over and over throughout our tenure in this class. So calculate your own BMI, calculate the BMI of your housemates, and then use these as an examples, and we'll discuss the answers if you would like. Thank you.